Have you ever seen something that just excites you to your core? Something that you never expect to happen, but it happens? Well, in this video, if it ever decides to load, you would see quite clearly what I'm talking about. As you can see, he's really into this. Right there, just now. That technique increased his brain power by 50%. He is now thinking in 6 different dimensions at the same time. His opponent is probably stressed out. Yeah, you see? You see the amount of sweat on his forehead? He knows. This Asian guy right here is wearing a bulletproof vest to protect him from the radiance this guy's throwing down, man. Look at him. Look, he knows that he's screwed. He himself knows he's screwed. This guy's opponent knows he's screwed. It's messed up for him. This is the face of a man just going through the motions. He's got his will planned out. He's got his funeral all beautifully well done. He's gonna get a nice bouquet of flowers for it. He knows he's done. Oh! Is he struggling? Is the Titan struggling amongst mortals? Nope, you see? There he goes again. He did the technique again, although a bit smaller this time. So this time instead of 50%, he got 30% more. He's now in 4 dimensions, but that's still allowed. Now the video itself can't even catch any of his motion. He's going so fast that reality itself is buffering. It's insane. Oh my god. Like the entire video, everything, my PC, everything, time itself has come, it just skipped. Like, you see this? It just can't keep up. He's going so fast that the video itself can't keep up. Joey Wheeler? Seto Kaiba? Who are those? Who are those guys? Seriously, get them out of here.